What's up, guys? I am Stacker Factor. That is Alex Jones, and this is my Infowars coin collection. Now, these are all rounds, but I call them coins anyway. We're going to start with some heavy hitters. We have the Teddy Roosevelt, the Tree of Liberty, the Semper Tyrannis, which I think was the very first one that Alex put out, the Alex Jones portrait, and the Come and Take It Spartan. I also have the Paul Revere Midnight Rider. The reverse of this coin has the signing of the Declaration of Independence on it, and it's got Alex Jones' signature on both sides. That is pretty. But speaking of sexy, we got the big man himself staring down the globalist. And on the reverse of this, check this out. This would look really, really cool on like some metal floorboards for a truck or like a garage or something. That is badass, and so is this dude. Moving on to a couple of cool Spartans here. We have the With Your Shield or On It. It's got the tip of the spear there with the serpent wrapped around it. Infowars veteran, which I am, of pretty much 25 years. And then you got the Come and Take It Spartan. And check out the field of this coin. Look at those little squares. The snake wrapped around the cannon's pretty cool. Free men bear arms. Yeah, they do, Alex. Yeah, they do. Moving on to probably my favorite Infowars coin design. This is the answer to 1984 is 1776 round, and this thing is cool. It's got the Liberty Bell. It's got this electric eagle with the Infowars shield, and then you got the frog, the pyramid, the eye, the den of thieves. Frickin' cool. But I saved the best for last, guys. This is something really special. I have probably 3,500 ounces of precious metals, gold, silver, platinum. This is my favorite piece. This is the Infowars Tree of Liberty signed Alex Jones coin. I bought this when it first came out, and I shipped it to Alex with a Sharpie. I asked him to sign the skull, and he came through for me, guys. Look at that. I have no clue how much this is worth. I would never sell it. Thanks, Alex, for signing this for me. This is definitely a one of one and a little piece of internet history here. So that's about it, guys. I'll pan down so you can see my little mess here that I've made with my stash. Go to the alexjonestore.com and grab some Infowars merch while you can. The branding might be changed. Alex is going to take off and do something else, and who knows what's going to happen to this brand. So get it while it's still under his command. Yeah, you might pay a little extra for some of this stuff. The apparel is actually super affordable. The silver wasn't bad either. I used points. I used discount codes. And this stuff is super collectible, and it's only going to get more and more collectible when Infowars becomes something else or goes away. So, yeah, guys, this is Stacker Factor signing off. That's Alex Jones. You know he's fighting the globalists to the bitter end. And, yeah, guys, that's it. Keep on stacking.